session, we are going to learn what is the group, what is the permission level, and how the permissions are managed in a subsite. As of now, we have learned the permissions at a list, library level, and list, atom, and file level. Now, moving ahead, we go into the site permissions. In site permission, here we know that there are three default groups automatically created. Okay, to explore and these things here you can see which is having for user friendly UI. If the end user that don't have that much technical knowledge, that's why SharePoint provided some user friendly UI so that they can check the content from here. But to go in a more details, to deep dive in a permission, we need to explore the advanced permission setting. Okay, so if we go here in advanced permission setting, we saw here, we can check here, there are different groups are here. Okay, there are different groups are here. So these groups are automatically created. Now as we discuss, if any specific user he require uh, the permission on this site with a read access. Okay, so we say that there is a group of people and they are having the access to create the item or edit the item on this specific site. So here you can see there are permission levels. These three groups are already exist. Out of that, if you want to create new group, I'll say create a group, and I will give the name to this group Caesar. Okay, Caesar viewer. Okay, viewer. So Caesar viewer group name I have given. Raju is the owner of the group. So if you want to describe more on a group, this group for people, they can view the content. Okay. So here group members who can view the membership of a group. Group members can view the membership, or everyone means anybody don't have the access, is not in this group, but still he can see the members in group. Just generally this is the right setting already there. Okay, so who can edit the membership of a group owner means we are not giving authority to other people to edit the members in this group. Okay, we'll discuss, we'll show you. Allow the request to join and leave the group. No, if anyone want a specific group to request, send the auto accept the request. If you say yes, then you say yes and it will automatically accept the request. You say no. Okay, so means what happened, anyone is wants the access on this specific group, they go in that group and request for access, and they are saying that please give me authority to add me in this group. Okay, so we say accept. No, I say no, and email notification sent to, we'll check to Raju. Okay, we'll check how it works. Okay, so what kind of this group, as we have say view only means read access can view the pages and list item. Okay, so I have created this group here. Okay, so I have created this group. Before that, to check the Raju is the member of this group. You can see Raju is the member of this group. Before going ahead, I'll go back and I will check that this permission for Sham, what permission we have given to the Sham, because we are going to test with the Sham. Okay, so we are at the Sham. Okay, I'll check the permission of a Sham. Is the Sham added anywhere? Caesar permission. Sham is the member of a visitor, so I will remove the Sham so that it will help us to explore more on the Sham. Okay, so I will remove the Sham. Sorry, so I will remove the sham from here. Okay, so I have removed the sham from this group and go into peoples and groups. Sorry, I'll go into permissions. In a modern view, the modern view, there are some challenges to go into the permission and all, because there are many changes are frequently happening in this user interface, because Microsoft keep doing changes on the UI. So here we can see we have added the new group, we have created the viewer group here. Okay, so our group is here. So what I do, as we have removed the Sham from this group, because we are Sham is our test user. Before that, we read this some content in this site having different permission from what you have. Means what happening, yesterday we did some, we set some libraries with unique permission. If we check here, okay, if we check here, some libraries we have, see, document library with a manage permission. Means what it's saying, this message is saying, means in this site there is one document library, in that you have set the unique permission, you have set the unique permission. If I go here and click here, okay, if I go here, it will redirect me to specific document library. Here you have set the unique permission. Here you can say this library don't means do not inherit the permission from its parent. Okay, that's why that message was showing in earlier in the site collection permissions. Okay, some items in this list have unique permission not controlled from this page. Again, if you go again this library, we have set the unique permission for these files. Then if we click here, it will again go into the file permission. Okay, yesterday we explored it. Okay, I will go back to the site collection permission. Okay, here is our site collection permission window. So means how you can recognize this site collection window. Here you can see these many tabs. These tabs will not visible anywhere except the site collection. Okay, except the site collection permission section. Okay, this is the three tabs. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, this is the three tabs. Okay, so there are some limited access user. To this user may have limited access if an item or document under the site has been shared with them. Show users. So we have see what this message is saying, means there are some limited access to these people. Okay, so these are the people, there are some limited, so no need to worry about it. Means I will not put you in more confusion. Okay, so there is a other groups already there, limited access system group and Sham with a limited access here. Okay, if I remove the Sham from here, okay, I will remove the Sham from here also. Okay, so I have removed the Sham from there also. Then limited access system group, so these limited access system group, these many people having limited access. So these many people have limited access, means these people don't have access, they are limited access, means there is some files we have shared. If we share the file to the someone, that person name will added here. If we share something with the people, that name will added here. Okay, we'll discuss more on, but our today's talk, means in this session we are going to discuss on a group. We have created a Caesar viewer. Okay, we have created the Caesar viewer group. Raju is the owner of this group. So now I will go back, I will go back and I will check from here. Okay, I will check here home. So here, sorry, I will check from here. Okay, this here we have, this is the Sham is the logged in user here. Okay, so access denied here, as the Sham don't have specific permission. So Sham don't have permission on this site. So what he will do, I would like to access, please, then he say request access. Okay, when he say request access, means Sham is saying request access here. Those who are the site collection admin, those who are the site collection admins, okay, to them there is a notification saying that please give the permission, this permission. Who is that? Sham. Okay, Sham required access on this site. Okay, Sham required access on this site. So waiting for, now we have sent, see, sorry, you don't have access, awaiting approval, we will let you know about the updates. Okay, so still you want to again put any reminder, we say, you will say that please grant me permission on urgent. Okay, so again he will put one another reminder. So how the site collection admin will get a notification for that, we will check that. Okay, so you see here we have earlier message, I would like the permission. Again there is a second message, we have second reminder, Sham put the second reminder. We'll go here. Okay, we'll go here, and where is the, I will open I'll open here. Here is the Raju. Raju is the admin here. So I will open. I'll close this. Raju is the site collection admin, and I'll open the Raju's Outlook here. Okay, so that we understand that here. See. So Sham, here you can see. Please grant me permission. Here, first message from Sham. Sham wants access on the Caesar permission and group site. Here you can see. Again, there is a second reminder. Sham sent the second reminder to the site collection admin. Okay, we'll check to see. Here he can accept or decline. Okay, if he accept or see, or what happened here, request a resource means for this site he requested access requested by Sham. If he say access, okay, if he say accept, if we click on accept, see what happened. He redirected to another page. Okay, so Sham will receive the edit access to the Czarvision permission. Do you want to give him edit access? Actually, he requested for edit access. You can say approve. See, I said approve. So and close. Now he gave the permission to Sham. Sham will go here. Now he try to refresh here, but still on the same page because we are on check here. Always check here. User trying to refresh same window because he is on access denied page. So we need to remove this part. Okay, so we need to remove this part and Sham having edit access, but we where he added. Okay, so I go in the permissions. Okay, site and site permissions. In our site, I'll go in the site permission, advanced permission setting, and check where Sham added. Listen, we have given the permission Sham requested, and Raju gave him the permission. So I check the members because member having edit access. Okay, means Sham added here. You can see. Earlier I was remove the Sham, but again Sham added here because he was requested the permission. Okay, so now again I will remove the Sham. Okay, remove user from group. Again I have removed the Sham's permission. Erase from this location. Okay, I'll go back. Okay, so I'll go back. Now we have created one more here Caesar viewer. Okay, Caesar viewer. So now we have created the group with the Caesar viewer. Okay, so now I have removed the Sham's permission. Sham, click here and say site permission. But I have, you know that I have removed the Sham's permission from backend from the. Okay, so he checked that. Now see here, manage the invite people. If we click here, we can see the container. See, sorry guys, it takes some time. Test F5. Again, it will redirect me to the access denied because we have removed the Sham permission. Now what happening? I have added I have created one group and I want to give the permission to Sham and many people as a viewer permission. So what I do, I'll go here and I will add Sham here. Okay, so I have added Sham in a specific group with a group name Caesar viewer. Okay, so I'll go ahead. Okay, I'll go ahead and check here. See, Sham got email notification. Here's the site that Raju shared with you. Okay, so I have gave him the viewer permission. I have added him Okay, he got the email notification. Again, he will try to access the site. Then he checked that, and he can see the content. Okay, now Sham having access, viewer access, as we have added Sham in a which group? Caesar viewer group. Okay, we have added Sham as in a Caesar viewer group. Again, I will go there. I just write it down. I will check in hotels. Okay, sorry, in a hotels. I go in a hotel list here, and I want, so in a hotel list, you can see here Sham can access the contents in a hotel list. Okay, so but here we have given him the view only access, so Sham cannot do anything. He just click and view the content. But what happening here, I want see what I'm saying, I want to give the permission, I want to give the permission to Sham in this specific list, on this specific list, to add the content. Sham having the rights to just add the content. He cannot do anything. He just add the content, in a hotel, but he cannot delete. He cannot edit the content. He is having only the rights to add the content. Okay, this kind of permission I want to give. Okay, to the Sham, so that Sham can add, say, new and add the content. Means, but he don't have rights to edit, and he don't have rights to delete the content. So how we can manage this, how we can manage it? Sham is the member of a viewer, as you know. Sham is the member of a viewer group. So how you can manage these things? Okay, so I will say here, again I'm in a Sham. I need to go here, because the site managed by the who manage the site, Raju manage the site. So what he do, he know that I need to give the permission to Sham, that Sham only having access to add the content. As of now, we have given him the viewer access. As of now, viewer access, But here I will go here, list, per settings, and here permission of for this list. Okay, so here we go here, and this list manage the permission from his parent. And who is the parent? Our site is the parent. Okay, Caesar. So what I do, I will say stop inheriting permission. Means I break the inheritance of a permission from specific site collection. Okay, so because site collection is parent for this list, so all the permissions are here. So what kind of permission I need to give? So I click here, Caesar viewer. I know that Sham, and there are many people, they require the add permission. So they are, maybe the group name is a Caesar viewer. Or for a better understanding, I will change the group name. Okay, I'll change the group name. I'll go here, site permission. Okay, I'll go here in site permission, advanced permission. Now please understand, this is a site permission or site collection permission. This is a list permission. I just want to change the permission Caesar. Okay, so here I don't have rights to edit the name. So how I can do, I'll say cancel here, click here, edit user permission, then check the permission access. Just a minute, click on here group settings. You can see group settings, Caesar viewer. What name I want to change? I want to say that Caesar add hotel user. Okay, so I have rename it a user friendly name given here, add hotel user. Okay, so if I'm going a list permission and refresh here. Okay, so here you can see the Caesar add hotel, and read permission is there. So this read permission will not work out or solve our issue. Okay, So what I need to do, again I will go back into the site permission, site collection permissions. Okay, so you know that how we have renamed the group name. Okay, so Caesar hotel, add hotel user. Okay, this is the permission. Okay, so again as you know this, we rename it. Okay, now what I need to do, I need to give him the add item permission. So again I go back here, I'm in the list permission. I click here, edit user permission. You can see the edit user permission. Once I click here, you can see there are different permissions are there. Okay, different full, add, design, and seize, edit, contribute, read, and this. But this is called as, please remember this is called as permission level. Okay, in short this is called as permission levels. Please remember it, this is called as permission levels. Files, design, edit, contribute, read, restrict. So these are the default permission levels are already there. But what role I want to give to the Sham on the specific library? For time being, I will say Sham can do the contribute. Okay, can do for time being. Sham can contribute in specific list. Okay, I have given Sham as a contribute permission on this specific. So I am on a list where I am in a list, and I check the Sham here at a site collection level. Okay, now at a list level, I said the here you can see Sham permission is read at a site level, because how, see here we are in at a site permission. Okay, based on this we recognize that we are at a site. Again I go here, again I will refresh it. Here you can see the contribute permission given to Sham on that particular hotel list. But my requirement yet not fulfilled. I have used the existing permission level, which is the contribute. But my expectation is Sham can add item only. That one is not fulfilled yet. Okay. So I will go again in a hotel and I refresh this. Again I refresh that particular list. So in that you can see here. Okay. So here if I click here, so I have rights to add the item. I can see the different things here, list specific thing. I can manage the list, I can edit the content, whatever things you can do. Okay, but see here, new items, they can add the item. Hotel, hotel, okay, now add an image. They will add the hotel image or specific image here. Let me check. So Pune. Okay, let's save this. Okay, so I have added another hotel details here, and I can edit this also. See, you can see I can edit this also. Hotel size, and I change the cost, and I can modify the contents. Okay, and I can save this content. Okay, so I have the rights to edit, update, delete, but the requirement is, organization requirement is that the people, those who are in that group, they can add the invalid, they can add the item only. Okay, so there are some permission level, those are not going to fulfill my requirement. Again I will go in site collection permission. Here you can see the permission level. Okay, so permission level, in this permission level you can see here different permission levels are there. Okay, so different permission: full control, design, edit, contribute, read. Okay, so these all permissions you can see here. When we say edit user permission, you can see here full, design, edit, contribute, read, restrict view. These permission, all permissions there. Restrict view means can view the pages, list, item, document. Document can be viewed in the browser but do not download it. That is a restricted view permission. Okay, that permission level is not here. Okay, so what is the your expectation is, you want the permission which will just add the item, and there is no other rights to that user. So what, same permission level is not there. Okay, please check it. Now permission level is given to the specific group or user. Okay, so what I do, I'll add the permission level. And here what I'm saying, that permission level add only. Okay, add only. Let's say this permission level created for the hotel add users. Okay, so I have described it. Now while creating the permission level, always keep in mind, always one thing you need to keep in mind. So here there are, you can see the different kind of permissions. You just read one by one. Manage list, what they can do: delete list, add, remove, override the behavior, discard check-in document which is checked out, add atom. So my intention is I want require only this permission, add atom. Okay, add atom. If I will give the add atom permission, see here, I give the add atom permission. So what happening, add atom to the list, add document to the document library. Now here, now if I click here, if I click here, once here other all checkbox are unchecked, but when I click here add items here, you can see view atom is also enabled. Again, view page is also enabled, and open is also checked. Okay, so why this happen, why this happen? I have clicked on the add item, but it will automatically uh, check the view item. But how you can add the item? Until and unless you will until and unless you can see this view, you see this view, you see this page, all items.aspx, you see this user interface, then only you can say add item. Am I right? Then only you can say add item. When you can see the, at least see the list, then only you can add the item. If you uncheck this, they cannot view the items. If you uncheck this, they cannot see the pages. Then what is the use of that permission level? It will not work out, because if, see, consider there is something kept in your bedroom, so at least to see that content you require the authority to go into the hall, then go into the, there is one way through which at least you require the view access, then only you enter in that to view the content. And you, what is your role? You want to keep something in a bedroom. Your role is to keep something, but those things you need to keep in a bedroom, means you need to travel through the hall, kitchen, and then you enter the bedroom. Same way, if you want to add the content in a list, then what you need to do, you need to view that site, then you need to go into the, at least you view that a list and that pages, and then you can add an item. Okay, and if you directly say add item only, but already you have, I'll say consider, I will say add the keep the one box in bedroom and whole room is locked. How you will enter? Because you don't have permission to enter in a bedroom, means entry door, and I directly say put the content in the bedroom. It will not possible. At least you require viewer access on your site, then you can go into your bedroom and put your box there. Okay, same way view page and open permission will require. Okay, this permission will automatically set. Okay, so what you do, you will say that create here. Okay, so rather than creating this, there is one another way, another best practice you need to follow, which is, let me show you. Here is a read permission. Here, which permission can view the pages, list, items, and download it. Okay, here is a read permission is here. Okay, so a read permission is here. So what you want to do, you just need to click on this read permission. Okay, or if you see, it will, what it will do, it will automatically give you the required access: view item, open item, view the versions, create alert, application pages, user self service site creation, view pages. So it gives you the whatever the things those are required, the read access, those permission it will use you. Okay, so but means when whenever you want to just do some operation like add or like, okay, so here what I do, I just click on add. Okay, I just click on, this is one practice, and another one practice I have told you. So here I will say add, but here read permission, what I need to do, I need to just copy this permission. Means this person can read the content in a site. Okay, then I'll say here Caesar add hotel. Okay, okay, this permission level I am going to get, and now here I'll just add one additional permission, add item, because these permissions are copied from read permission. Okay, all the permissions are there. I just add item here. Okay, edit, delete permissions are not there. Okay, now I'll say create. See here, now I have given the, I have created the Caesar hotel permission level here. I have created the Caesar hotel permission level here. Description is missing. Description is missing, so you can add this permission level to add item list. Okay, submit. Copy means copy from existing. Okay, so we, where I do this, set this permission level at a site permission. Now I'll go here, now refresh this, or directly say, now already I have given contribute, and Sham can contribute, edit, update, deletes anything, but organization is saying the hotel users, they are having only the rights to add the content, they cannot delete, cannot edit. So what do you do? So again you click here, edit user permission, and you can see here. Okay, so here what you say, I don't want, because read is already covered in this permission level, so I just click here and say okay. So what I have given the permission here, we have added new permission level, which is a Caesar add hotel permission there. Okay, now we'll go into the Sham. Okay, see here Sham is there in this Caesar add hotel user. See, this is a group, don't get confused, huh? This is a group and this is a permission level. Okay, this is a group and this is a permission level here. Okay, okay, now I'll go to the Sham. Now I refresh this. So what I have permission we have given, we gave him permission to add only. So here I check the edit permission is given to him or not. Okay, let it load. It's loading. Check here. You can see edit is there. Edit is there. No, he just can see the content. Just click on open and look into the content. Okay, look into the content. He don't have the rights to add the content. Sorry, edit the content. He just put the new content. Say hotels Sora, and I will not put image here. Okay, and enter something. Okay, now Sham having rights. The people, those who are in a Caesar add user add hotel, they can add the content, but they don't have any. Now he is not able to delete also. He don't have rights to delete the content. Okay, there are other fields are there, but edit, delete operations are restricted to this person, which is a Sham. Sham don't have. So you understand that how we have added the Caesar add hotel permission here. Okay, so there is another people set of a group. Okay, about the this hotel add hotel people, means there is another set of people or group of people, they are having rights. Okay, they are having rights. Consider they having rights to edit and delete, but they don't have add rights. Okay, because they are senior to these hotel users. So I'll say manager group is there, Caesar hotel manager, I can say that Caesar hotel manager. Okay, so I'll create the another group. Going back, permissions, site permissions, I mean site, now site permission. I'll create one group here, create group. Can we create group at a list level? Here you don't have rights to create. Here grant permission means you give the permission to the people or share the files with. Okay, invite people or show options. Okay, so we'll come to this point also, grant permission also. But here what requirement is, Caesar hotel manager, what rights to them? Only edit and delete. but such a kind of permission level is there. I just show you. Such a kind of default permission level is there. No, edit and delete. Edit and delete permission level is not there. This permission level is add, edit, delete. But I don't want add. Only edit and delete. It gives me some additional permission. So this will not fulfill my requirement. This is also having all these things. It will also not fulfill the requirement. Full control will not fulfill. So I need to create my own permission level. I need to create my own permission level. So before creating the permission level, so first I will what I do. What I do, I go here and I need to create the permission level. I click on permission levels. Okay. So enter your point of view questions. What are the default permission levels? Full control, design, edit, contribute, and read. And you need to tell me what is the difference between design, contribute, edit. Okay, these three. Enter your frequently asked question. What are the default permission level and what are the difference between design, edit, and contribute permission level? Again, I click here, add permission level. Now, as earlier I told you that what thing we need to do, we need to copy the read permission so that it will give the authority to at least reach that hotel list through the site and list. They can view the content. Here I'll scroll down, say copy the permission level. Okay, it copy the permission level. Now I'll say Caesar hotel. What permission level is? Edit and delete. Okay, this permission level, and I'll say this permission level for manager to manage the hotel added by employee initially. Okay, now what role we need to do? Edit and delete. Okay, edit and delete. We are not giving him authority to add. Okay, they just view the content and they do their operation and say create. Okay, so we have created the permission with the name of that permission, edit and delete. Moving back in permissions, we are at site level. Okay, we are at site level. Now again, now I will say that create group. You can say create group. Create group. Here I'm creating the group here. Now my group is name is that Caesar hotel. Okay, manager Caesar hotel manager, group owner. So I'll not do anything here, and you know that this is the permission level we have created. But I'm creating group at a site. I'm creating group at a site. So initially, see where we are working on a site here. Okay, this is our site, and here is my list. Okay, here is my list. So if I give this permission here, it will automatically given to the other list also, list and library, right? List and library, those are inheriting the permission. So what I need to do, we already stop inherit permission to this our hotel list. Okay, try to understand. Okay, so what this will not fulfill our requirement. So what I suggest, it will be better to give the read access. Okay, if we give the read access, on the site. Okay, so here is my hotel. Their permission is break. Okay, but other list having given the permissions. Okay, read the permission. But how that person will reach to here? At least he can see the site. So we give the read permission to that person on that group on a site. At least some permission will require to access the site. So I have given the read permission to hotel manager group on the site. Like same way, earlier also what we did here. Okay, so Caesar hotel manager. Again I will go back. So I have created the group we refresh. Caesar hotel manager, and they are having a read access here. Same way, Caesar add hotel. We are giving the read access because at least they required, at least they see the site. If you are not giving him the access on the site, how they go into the list? They will not go into the list. At least initially basic, at least they need. If I'll say see your results on Pune University site or particular university site, how you will go? You go and click the site, then there is some result tab is there, click on result, and then you will go. If you don't have access on a Pune University site and you have the access on a result list, this is useless. Okay, until and unless you will get access to specific list. Okay, so what I do now, I have given the access. Okay, but you have this access, means I have given the access here on the site. Now here I will, what I do, I will so manager is there. Now I go here, I refresh this. I have given access on a site to the hotel manager. Okay, okay, and I will grant the permission here. So we have stop inherit permission, that's why groups are not inherited now. Now I'll say grant, and my grant permission. What is my group name? Say manager. Is it appearing here? No. Okay, so my group name Caesar hotel manager. See here, it is appearing here. Click here, show options. Here you can see the permission level. You can see the permission level. So here you can see the edit and delete hotels. Click that, say share. Okay, so because we have created group here, we have created group at a site level, and we have granted permission to at a, so you cannot create group, you cannot create group at a specific list permissions. Okay, you need to create a group at a site permission, and then you grant the permission here. Okay, and so I refresh it so that we can see here managers. Okay, so manager group, manager group, manager, here is a manager group. Okay, Caesar hotel edit and delete permission is given. So again Raju is there, so new person I need to add there. Okay, Sham is already there in other group, so what I do, I'll create another person. So what I do, there is a Sham is there. See, this person is there. Okay, Vinod Chaudhary. Vinod is the person. Okay, so what I do, I will add the Vinod here. See here where I am, Vinod Chaudhary is there. Okay, so you can send email invite to him, you if you want. Okay, you added Vinod Chaudhary in Caesar hotel. Okay, you have added the Vinod Chaudhary. If you go here, then you can see here Caesar hotel user. Sorry, now I am in a site permission level, and here also you can see the Vinod added here, because we are adding one group, and that same group we are using here. Okay, in the list permissions. Okay, so here we have Caesar hotel user. If I click again, and you can see here Vinod added here. Let me log in with Vinod. Have the Mozilla browser or not? Let's check the Mozilla. Okay, Mozilla Firefox is there. That's a good thing. So I will access the content for Vinod. Okay, I'll copy this URL, go into the Mozilla and paste it here. So maybe multi-factor authentication will required again. Maybe the multi-factor authentication will required, then it will increase the complications. So what I do, I will add nodes here. Just a minute, I'll add the node. we know. Next. Hope it will not ask us the multi-factor authentication. Password. We have seen the password too many times used before. To checking the functionality, it's taking some time. Hope it will first time login. We seen that password array. Sometimes this password and high level of security irritate the user, but it's very important to keep the content secure. Okay, help you to protect your next. Skip for now 40 days until this is required. Learn. Microsoft enable you to security defaults to keep your account secure. Security defaults. Skip 42 days. Yes. Okay, so we log in with okay. So now I have logged in with Vinod and we check that we have given the permission to Vinod add sorry edit and delete as he is the manager. It takes some time to load the content. Again we go back and check that what we are in this permission here. We have added Vinod here. Again I will go back here. Site, this is the site permission. Okay, this is the list permission. So we have added the Vinod here. Where is the Vinod? Vinod, hotel manager is the Vinod. Now I will go here. Okay, again I press enter. It's taking time. It's asking for multi-factor authentication, I think.
तर ते होणार नाही कारण की जोपर्यंत आपण फोन नंबर लिंक करत नाही ना तोपर्यंत होत नाही.
Yes, it's redirecting. So anybody having account, so that let me check. So what I do, in spite of going to do that, what I do, we have Sham is already the enabled with the multi-factor authentication. So what I do here, I'll go here and close this. Sorry, now I close this and I remove the Sham from add hotel earlier group. Okay, so that Sham don't have rights. Remove user from group. I remove the Sham from here, so Sham don't have any access now. Now what I do, I will add in the Sham. Next time you guys please create 2 to 3 account. Okay, add here Sham with multi-factor authentication and with in 3 different browsers. Sham. Okay, Sham here. Now I have added Sham in a Caesar Hotel Management group. Oh, okay, I'll go here in the Sham. Okay, now when Sham is here, so what happens? See, now earlier Sham is a manager now. Okay, we consider he is promoted. Now Sham don't have add item access, right? But as I have given the permission to him, add edit and delete. So we check that. So he can edit the content and delete the content. We check that he can delete or not. Yes, he can delete the content. So like this way we have managed the permissions to the permission level. Okay, so add that from this from this from this from this list. Okay, you can see the item deleted. So like this way we have created the permission level and we manage the permission level. We created the different permission level. Okay, so this is about the permission level. Now so when we create any specific subsite, when we create go into any subsite, and while creating the subsite, then how the permissions are managed. There is, as of now we manage the permission at a list, but what happened at a subsite level about these permissions. Okay, so I'll show you. Here we go here, new subsite, and here I'll say Caesar Pune Hotel, my subsite. Okay, and I'll say Caesar Pune Hotel. Okay, don't put space in URL. So I say team site and use same permission as the parent or use unique permission. So you understand that same permission means it will inherit, and if you say unique permission, then see, I'll navigation, put the that in navigation. Okay, so I'm creating the subsite, and here I'm saying create unique permission. Okay, now we are going to maintain the permission, saying permissions subsite at subsite level. So it asking me to, do you want to create a groups for that, or you need to maintain this group? Caesar Pune Hotel visitor, Caesar Pune Hotel members. Use, if you say use existing group, see, if you say existing group means it will saying to me that, do you want to use existing group? Yes, I want to use the manager group as it is here. Okay, you can use that group also, and you maintain the these two group as it is. Okay, so and you say okay. See here what happened, it create the different groups here. Now I'm in Caesar Pune Hotel. Okay, now I'm in Caesar Pune Hotel. See, this is a subset. How we can recognize this? This is our parent site and this is the subsite. Again we go here in the site permission. When you go in the site permission, advanced permission settings here, see, you will feel some difference here. Now here you can recognize that there are one tab is missing here. Okay, there is one tab missing here. You can create your own permission level at subsite. You can create your groups here. Okay, so what I do, I will go into the parent site, check the URL, this is the parent site. Okay, so I go here in the site permission of a parent site, advanced permission setting. This is a subset. I close this. This is a subsite. Based on this you can recognize. Okay, so here you can see the site collection admin. Site collection admin is the only the person to that specific site, but here you cannot see the site collection admin. Okay, so here we have added, given the Raju as a full control here, because Raju created this site. This website has a unique permission. Okay, if you create any group here, if you create, what happen, I say Caesar Hotel Pune, Caesar, you can give the different name, Hotel Pune, Oh, I'll say Pune admin group. Okay, and see group owner and all these things already you know, and what I see read access and create. Okay, see the permission levels are there. So again I'll go back here first. Sorry. Again I will go back into the subsite permissions here to understand the permission level groups. This is a really important thing. Okay, I'll go here in a site permission and advanced permission settings. See here subsite. Always watch here URL because user interface is a similar. User interface is similar. That's why it may create the confusion to you. Okay. So here I am in a Caesar permission hotel. I have created the admin group here and read permission. I have created a group here. Whether that group reflect here in my site collection, just to refresh. That group is here. No, that group not exist at the site. That group is limited to your subsite. This group is limited to your subsite. Means you have created separate group here. But here you can create the permission level for you. Separate permission level for your subsite. Do you have rights? Do you have rights here to permission level? No, you don't have rights. You don't have rights to create the permission level here. Okay, so here you cannot edit the permissions levels here. Also you cannot edit the permission. You can see the content but you cannot edit the permission level because we are in a subsite. So there are some limitations about the permission level here. Also there are some limitations on the permission level. So what I do, I will I check the permission of Sham here. Okay, what I do, I check the permission for Sham here. And Sham is a manager group. I'll remove the Sham permission here. Okay. See, try to understand that and check the difference. What is the I remove the Sham from here action, remove user from group. Okay. So I have removed the Sham from site collection. Now I'm in a sub site. Okay. So Sham don't have any permission anywhere. Okay. Sham don't have any permission on anywhere. If I click here, you can see the message here. Error message, access denied. See HTTP forbidden error because we have removed the permissions of the Sham. Access denied message. Sham don't have permission. But what I do, I'll view the Sham. I'm in a subsite and I'll make the Sham as a Pune admin. Okay. See here. Now I'm directly jumping to the subsite. I'm jumping to the subsite. Sham. 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 Okay. Raju. Raju is at the end. Raju is the admin. Raju is the site collection admin, means he can be the admin of subset also. We don't have any limitations. Okay. Again, I will go here. Again, I will check the. Again, I will check access generated. Now, what I do, I will copy the subset URL. Caesar Pune hotel. Okay, and paste it after this. Remove this content, or I directly copy the entire URL and put it here. Now see, Caesar. Now see, yeah, what happened? Now Raju can access the subsite. Okay, but he don't have permission on site collection, but still he can access the subsite. You try to understand that. Okay, you try to understand that Raju having the Sham having the permission on a subsite, but he don't have permission on a he's a parent site. But if now again, because this is at the end, this is a one separate site. If you want to access some content in document, then you need to give the user need to give the permission on this parent site. Okay, now what I do, I will check one thing. Okay, I'm in a subsite now. Okay, check one thing. I'll go here. I'll remove the Sham from admin group. I remove the Sham from admin group. Okay, remove user from group. Okay, here I remove the Sham from. I go in one document library. One document library. Okay, Sham don't have any permission. I upload one document here. I upload one file here. Now I'll go here in library settings, library setting permissions. Okay, so I'm here. Now I'll say stop inheriting permission here. See here, Raju don't have permission anywhere. And I directly, sorry, Sham don't have permission anywhere. I check the Sham permission here now. None, no permission. Okay, so I can directly grant the permission to the Sham here. Okay, say Sham. What kind of permission you want to give to Sham? I can say, okay, edit. Okay, say share. So I have shared the file with the Sham here, library with the unique permission. I have given permission to the Sham here. You can see here. Sham can, you can see I have directly given the permission, not through the group. I have directly added Sham here. Now I'll go here and check the Sham. Where? Caesar Pune Hotel. Access denied here. But Sham having authority in that particular document library of the Caesar Pune Hotel. I have added Sham in a document library of the Caesar Pune. Caesar Pune here. Caesar Pune, and this is document library. Okay, I have given Sham authority here. Now what I do? I directly copy this. I directly copy this. You can see this left navigation is missing here because I have directly given Sham permission in this document library. But Sham can access the content if and only if he is having this URL. Okay, so check that. I have recently given the permission to the Sham. See what message Raju shared with you this document library. If I click here or here, it open me that document library. Means we have given Sham directly permission, but Sham don't have the link or email communication, and he directly having the this hotel URL, means Caesar Hotel Pune. So he is having access denied error. Okay, means he cannot, means we have directly shared the specific content, specific document library with the Sham. Okay, please try to understand. So earlier what happened, I have given the permission on the top level set, and then I come to the that particular hotel site. In this case, in our earlier parent site here in this case. Okay, earlier I have given user permission on site collection also, and hotel, read permission on the site collection, and uh, add permission on hotel. So because what happened, and I want, because he is the employee and he required the access on other things also. But in this case, the intention is to user can access only this document, nothing other than it. That's why what we did, we have stop inherit and I directly give the permission to the Sham. But if you say, if you add the Sham here, site permission, sorry, library setting, permission, if you directly add the Sham in this group admin, he will get read permission on his parent, because this group is inherited from his parent. You know that this group, if you say, because at a library or file level you cannot create the group, we can create the group at the site level. Okay, so here you can give the permission to the Sham, then Sham automatically get the permission on his site, subsite, not top level site, because we have used same group as it is. Okay, so if we go here and he try to access the here, now he can access the subsite. So this is about the site permission, subsite. Again, I will go back here. So please try to understand, that is a very important thing here. What are the things? Permission level, see, permission level, permission level, okay, and site collection admin. Okay, these are managed here, and also okay, these things are and groups. Okay, these things are managed here, but for specific this subsite here, you can manage the groups, and you can only group permission level, no, only group can be created, but here same permission levels needs to be used here at a site level. At a library level, you need to do existing things. Okay, these things keep in mind. Okay, so we stop here. I hope you understand all the things related to the permission, groups, subsites.